In this video, we are going to define the terms succession and climax community. We have seen that ecosystems are made up of all the interacting biotic and abiotic factors in a particular area within which there are a number of communities of organisms. As we look around at natural ecosystems, such as the forest, we may get the impression that they have been there forever. Well, this is far from the case. Ecosystems are dynamic. This means that they change day to day as populations fluctuate, sometimes slowly and sometimes very rapidly. Succession is the term that is used to describe these changes over time in the species that occupy a particular area. So, in other words, succession is the process by which communities colonize an ecosystem and are then replaced over time by other communities. During the process of succession, there is several species that will take over. First, we have the pioneer species. These are the first species to occupy a new habitat, starting in new communities. They have rapid reproductive strategies, enabling them to quickly occupy an uninhabited area. Many have an asexual stage to their reproduction. Also, they have the ability to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere because even if there is soil, it has few or no nutrients. They could also have to be tolerant to extreme conditions. Furthermore, they have the ability to photosynthesize, as light is normally available but other food is not. So they cannot be dependent on other animal species. Next is the series. These are the various stages that follow on from the pioneer species. And finally, we have the climax community. This is the stable community that is reached beyond which no further succession occurs. So, in other words, climax community remains more or less stable over a long period of time. And this community consists of animals as well as plants.